Imagine a luxury sedan that hits 60 in under 4 seconds and still feels like a private jet. This is the 2027 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. And no, this isn't a normal facelift. This is Mercedes quietly saying, everyone else is still playing catch-up. At first glance, it looks familiar. And that's exactly the trap. Because hidden underneath is a machine where more than half the car is new. Over 2,700 redesigned parts. That's not a refresh, that's a reset. Up front, Mercedes goes bold. A larger, glowing grille, an illuminated hood star, headlights packed with micro-LED tech that looks straight out of sci-fi. You don't just see this car coming, it announces itself. Step inside and welcome to the future. The dashboard is basically one massive glass superscreen. Multiple displays, AI-powered infotainment, cloud-connected systems. You don't tap menus, you talk to the car. And it actually understands you. Cold outside? Heated seats, heated armrests, heated steering wheel. Even the seatbelts are heated. Yes, really? This isn't comfort, this is obsession. And the back seat? Forget passenger. This is CEO mode. Huge rear screens, video calls, climate, lighting, blinds, all controlled from your seat. It's not a back seat. It's a private jet without wings. Now, let's talk power. The V8 S-Class is back, and it's serious. Over 500 horsepower, launching this luxury tank to 60 in under 4 seconds. There's also a plug-in hybrid pushing nearly 600 horsepower, blending silence with speed. But here's the wild part. The suspension reads the road ahead. Using sensors and data, the car prepares for bumps before you hit them. You don't react to the road. The S-Class does it for you. So ask yourself this. Is this still a car, or is it a rolling supercomputer wrapped in leather and chrome? Because the 2027 S-Class isn't trying to impress you anymore. It's trying to replace your idea of what luxury even means. And now the real question. Would you drive it, or would you rather be driven? Backhand index pointing down, drop your take in the comments.